Hello? Today, Limative is taking you through the basic introduction to graphic design. Hope you watch the video until the end. Now, let's get into it. What is graphic design? Graphic design is a craft where visual content is created to convey messages. Design elements such as typography, shape, line, and images are used to convey the message. Now, what is the role of a graphic designer? What do they basically do? Graphic designers create the visual content using a computer software or by hand. They design logos, posters, marketing materials, packaging, and many more. Graphic designers can specialize in a distinct area such as branding, illustrations, or print media. What are the graphic design job titles? There is a variety of titles that one can specialize in. Let's find out. You can either be a graphic designer, a web designer, or be a creative director at a company. You can also be a user experience designer known as UX, a user interface designer known as UI, an illustrator or an animator. You may be asking yourself, what tools do graphic designers use? It's usually a sketchbook and a computer. On a computer, they use softwares such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe After Effects, and many more. Thank you for watching the video. You should be proud of yourself for watching the video until the end. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Also, don't forget to follow Limative on social media.